within the OneNet project, we have several regional clusters with demonstrations in it. And one of them is the Western cluster, which includes the Portuguese demo, the Spanish demo, and the French demo. The Western cluster in itself includes experiences and demonstrations towards markets, more from the Spanish demonstrator perspective, but also in terms of technical coordination between DSOs, TSOs, and the aggregators. This is something that is addressed in two of the demos, so the French one and the Portuguese one. And within the Portuguese demonstration, really focus on the technical coordination for operational planning. And for operational planning, we basically are exchanging data between the DSO and TSO, for example, to be able to have more accurate forecasts of generation and consumption, for instance. And also we exchange data related to flexibility. Flexibility needs assessment, for instance, and also for pre-qualification purposes. Within the Portuguese demonstration, as I said, we are focusing on flexibility, more technical coordination for flexibility, but we wanted also to address the customer in some way. And that's why we've made a workshop this year to be able to create awareness for the customers, this including several different types of customers, for instance, industrial ones. And we really had a big participation from their side. Another thing that I can also say on these customers is also experiences not only from OneNet but also from Portugal, because we had recently a pilot for flexibility where we had pre-qualification, and indeed we saw a big participation also from industrial customers. So we really see this tendency, and we really see customers, specifically industrial customers that are bigger, let's say, in volume and can contribute better, and the remuneration is more interesting for them, for their side, to be actually more proactive and really want to enter into this market. So we know that there are really ambitious targets set for the integration of renewables, and the biggest development will be seen especially on the distribution level side. So there will be many more renewables, distributed energy sources connected to the distribution level. And one of the things that is vital is to make sure that there is enough coordination between the DSO and the TSO to make this happen. Also in terms of actually being able to efficiently activate the resources. And this is something that we focus on a lot, especially in the Portuguese demonstration of OneNet, to really improve these processes, define coordination processes between DSOs and TSOs. For us, for example, when a DSO wants to activate a resource, a determined resource for flexibility provision, he is not causing any congestions to the network. And so these kind of coordinations are really important. And within OneNet, it's really a big focus. And of course, there is also the developments in terms of the OneNet connector, for instance, that really bring together different parties from different regions that can just interact and also make sure that we can coordinate in a market technically. So indeed, it's relevant, and the solutions that we are developed are really, really important for the future.